Vin Diesel rises from indie roles to become a global icon, whose voice and grit propelled a blockbuster empire worldwide. Launching with Pitch Black and igniting the Fast and Furious saga, he defined modern action stardom. Off-screen, he builds a production company and philanthropic footprint, proving a franchise star can influence culture and community. Dom Toretto blends loyalty with audacious risk, turning high-speed chase scenes into surprisingly intimate family drama. Diesel's enduring appeal rests on resilience, humor, and a carefully crafted brand that makes speed carry deep meaning.